Welcome to the 4th International Dubai Film Festival, where, as we know, the film shoot on site is showing tonight. It is actually the very first showing of the film, so we're going to try and catch the audience as they come out and see what their views are on this could be controversial topic.
Oh, it's a brilliant film.
Was it what you expected before you went in there?
Actually not, but it's much over the expectation.
Really?
Nasir Rudin Shah rocks.
I was quite moved by it because I'm a Muslim and I can understand what he was going through, the protagonist. But I don't know, I'm a bit very shaken right now to just be able to say anything.
It voices many messages. I think, as I say, very thought-provoking.
I think it was a great movie. It had a social message, I think which everyone is obvious to but doesn't accept, that about the silent majority. But it also gave a different viewpoint from the Western eyes.
It was a balanced opinion, which was great, and it's quite a brave thing to show it in a place like Dubai, for sure, which I think is great because it's moving forward as opposed to backward, and the questions that were asked were quite intelligent, and it was quite a rounded opinion. Great job.
I thought it was a well-done film. I quite enjoyed it. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Okay. Do you think it sent out the right message to the audience?
I really think so. I did. Yeah, absolutely.
Was it what you expected before you went in there?
No, I didn't know what I was going in for, actually speaking, so it did come across as really substantial in a lot of ways.
So what attracted you to go in and watch that film shoot on site?
Because the topic in itself was so contemporary, and the cast was really good, and I really do like Naseeruddin Shah.
It was more than what I expected, actually. I enjoyed it thoroughly.
Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant movie. Absolutely brilliant.
It was lovely, gripping movie actually. That's the word I will use for the film.
It's nice to see from the viewpoint of the cops, right? We don't always get that viewpoint. The media tends to hype up things, and obviously it becomes very sensational.
No, the very theme, driving the message across, saying that how are terrorists made? Why are they made? So I think the theme was extremely powerful.
We can't leave the film in between, and people are literally sitting on their toes to see the film.
The director's done some amazing work recently, so I was expecting it to be that good.
I would give it 10 on 10.
Fantastic.